Good morning. Jason Lewis, Coda Development, here on site at our project at 725 East Orange Street in Lakeland, Florida. Today's August 4th, and I'm sweating like a madman already, even standing in the shade. Thank you, Florida. So anyways, I'm going to show you across the street here in a second the project, the progress. It's exciting to see that we have 3 stories built on 3 of the 5 buildings. So here you go. So here's the view from across the street. Still have one more building to go up, vertical right here at this pad. Yesterday they set the roof trusses for this building right here. And we'll walk around the back of this house and show you Small C. We've got some detail done on the porch and balconies. So this is the building we refer to as Small C. It's kind of a long rectangle. And as you can see over here, they've formed up some of the details for the porch and balcony. Always a kidder in the crowd. You guys getting ready to put in windows. See this balcony back here. It wraps around. So this is the first floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom unit. Right here would be the kitchen area and living space. As you can see, we've got some windows going in today. You can see the rough electrical's been done. There's the bathroom, shower in the back, toilet vanity, water heater, air handler. This is where the stackable washer dryer will go. And the bedroom. So here we are inside the site. You can see the dumpster enclosure has been formed. The 2 buildings that have been wrapped will have the windows going in very soon. So there's your monthly update. Still making good progress over here on site. Exciting to see. And we'll see where we're at in about 3 weeks when I'm back in town. So until then, stay classy.